and hobbies, and we're going to make a clamp, okay? With these three objects right here, they're STL files, and we're going to open up Bamboo Studio. So let's open that up. Hopefully it'll open, and get rid of that, and go to Prepare, and we can actually drag these items into the from this file here in here. So we're going to drag them right in. Okay. They're dragged right in. See how they're overlapping? You can't have that. So you go up to this tool right here. See this tool? Arrange. Click in there and arrange it. Okay, so it's all arranged. Okay. Um, I think doing this one on the side is not so good because of the supports. So we're going to flip that around. So we're going to go to up here to rotate and go like this. Actually go like this. Hang on. I'm going to rotate it, go like that, and sit it on the plate like that. Okay. So it prints nicely like that. Let's go to move. Let's look at it again. And we're also in bamboo X1 carbon. That's the profile texture plate we're using in a 4mm nozzle at 28. We're not going to go 8. We're going to go 20 standard to print this. 20 standard right here. If I'm going too fast, I'm sorry. Let's look at the size of this. This is the size right here. It's 82 millimeters. So let's figure out what 82 millimeters on. We're going to go to convert that. I'll tell you in a second. I'm sorry. Hang on. 82 millimeters to inches. It's about a 3-inch clamp. That's about exactly what we need is a 3-inch clamp for what I want to use this for. So that's good. Let's go back to move. And everything looks good. We're going to slice. We're going to try slicing this, but the thing of it is, see this object right here, standing up again. Go to that object, and we're going to flip that too. So we're going to flip that, hopefully, like this, and let it go down a little bit more, like that. Okay, and it's still not sitting on the plate. It's got to sit on the plate. Let's see, like that. I think it's sitting on the plate. Well, when we slice it, you'll find out if it's sitting on the plate, if it needs support or not. So let's go up to the slice plate right here. We're slicing it. Okay, so no errors occurred. Okay, you would get an error here if something was wrong, if you needed supports or something like that. So no error occurred. So we're good. It's got some support right in here. It looks like we're going to have to peel that away afterwards. So we're going to save this file for later to print. Go up to File, go to Export, go to Export Plate Sliced File, Command G. Click on that. We don't want to save it in downloads. We want to save it in desktop. We're going to save it to desktop. It's untitled, so let's title it. So this is going to go, use the arrow button all the way to the left, and we're going to go square 3-inch clamp. We're going to name it. I'm going to leave the untitled in there, so that's okay. I'm going to save it to desktop. That is now saved to desktop. We're going to print that later. I need that for another project that I'm doing. Then we go back to File, and we want to save the projects. So we're going to save the project, and we're going to put it in Downloads. Okay. Now it's in Downloads, and go over here and see it's saved in recently opened in Downloads. Get rid of this one. Get rid of this one. We're making this one right now. Okay. That's what I'm going to use this for. I'm going to attach this to this so I can clamp it on the desk to hold some extension cords. Okay, so that's what I want to show you today, and that's the video. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. I can only do it with your help. To subscribe, go to the right hand corner of the video. You'll see a little red octagon, triangle, I'm sorry guys, rectangle box. You click on that to subscribe. It's free to do so. God bless and bye for now.